Open the menu board. Press the button to open the touchpad panel. Push the service switch to the clean position. Press and hold the clean button until the tone stops, approximately 5 seconds. Select milk by pressing the right up arrow button. Use the cups provided with the cleaning kit. As directed, fill the 3 cups with hot water dispensed from the machine. Stir and dissolve the cleaner number 1 packet contents into the first cup. Stir and dissolve the cleaner number 2 packet contents into the second cup. Nothing is added to the third cup. It remains plain hot water. Place the black protector guard on the drain grate under the nozzle. Place both milk tubes into the cup with cleaner number 1. Press the clean button. When the display changes to insert cleaner number 2, remove the first cup and replace it with the cup containing cleaner number 2 and press the clean button. When the display changes to insert fresh water, remove the empty cup and replace it with the cup containing plain hot water. Press the clean button. Clean the interior of the refrigeration unit by removing and cleaning the trays and wiping down the milk tubes with a sanitized towel. Remember to reinstall the milk trays. Using a clean cloth, reinsert the milk tubes into the milk containers and place in the refrigerator. Use a clean towel moistened with sanitizer to clean the product outlets. Press the service switch to the vend position, secure all cleaning materials, and close all doors. The milk system cleaning process is now complete. Open the menu board by pressing the button to open the touchpad panel. Push the service switch to the clean position. Close the menu board by pressing down on the touchpad panel until it is secured. Press and hold the clean button for 5 seconds until the tone stops. Select Brew by pressing the left up arrow button. Do not do anything until the screen instructs you to the next step. Please wait until the screen says Insert Tablet. Place one cleaning tablet in the brew chamber. Do not mistakenly place the tablet in the ground chute or in the coffee funnel. Place the black protector guard on the drain grate under the nozzle. Press the clean button. This cycle will last approximately 3 minutes. After the cycle has stopped, use your brush to sweep away any loose grounds. Brush loose coffee grounds into the chute. When the brew cycle is finished, open the front doors of the machine, clean the drain tray and grate, and remove the empty grounds bin and replace it in the machine after emptying it. Use a clean towel moistened with sanitizer to clean the product outlets. Press the service switch to the vend position and secure all cleaning materials and close all doors. The brew system cleaning process is now complete. Clean the machine exterior and restock all items. Helpful reminders. Use hot water dispensed from the machine. Do not use cold water. Cleaner is not effective in cold water. Use gloves and eye protection when cleaning the machine. Powder contains chlorine. Solution may bleach or stain countertops and clothing. Use only Concordia approved cleaning chemicals. Use of substitutes may void your warranty and may not sanitize your milk system effectively. Do not mix cleaning solutions 1 and 2 together. Be certain to perform the daily cleaning to maintain the machine's warranty. Please keep all supplies out of reach of children. Read and observe all safety precautions listed on packaging, and use a sanitizer approved by state and local health department regulations.